1.2 Definition and Role of Information. What is information? The term information has been variously defined by information experts. Some of the definitions are knowledge communicated by others or obtained by study and investigation. Robeck, Brown and Maedke, 1987. Ideas, facts, imaginative works of mind, and data of value potentially useful in decision-making, question-answering, problem-solving, and all that which reduces uncertainty. Kaniki, 1991. Perhaps the most recent definition of information is by the International Records Management Trust, 1999a. The IRMT defines information as knowledge that is communicated. It is knowledge that you perceive through one or more of your senses and remains intangible until it is represented in a formal manner as data. Data is raw facts that are not yet organized. When a collection of facts is organized in such a way that they have additional value beyond the value of the facts themselves, then they become information, IRMT, 1999. In a nutshell, information is supposed to help you to make decisions, answer particular questions, and also solve problems. If it does not, then it is not relevant to you.